Gawatsi se hopa tsokini yemishe. Wahenome wa aitiwitsa. Wahenome kawekame so'o. Hello everyone, my name is Daylene Martinez-Lazos. That was in my language. I'm from the Native American Reservation in the Pueblo of Laguna in New Mexico. I'm an independent sales director and I am so happy to be celebrating Mary Kay's 60th anniversary. So the very first thing that I did within myself was to make that decision to become a Mary Kay sales director. And with that, that was my stronghold. It was for my children. And with that, I would overcome any obstacle, no matter if it meant me talking to people, even though I was introverted. Success doesn't depend on people, it's ourselves. We have to be strong enough to make those decisions and, just making those decisions to do more, to become more, without having strongholds placed upon us and the belief system placed upon us to where people are thinking, I can't. It's abundant mentality is being able to step forward outside of your comfort zone, becoming more than what you even hoped for or wished for, and so abundant mentality is always having the goals, the dreams, but being an entrepreneur in Mary Kay, one face at a time, sharing kindness, one face at a time, sharing faith, one face at a time. What does it mean to love people, to do for people, to be able to become abundant individually? We become blessed so that we can bless others. We can break their belief barriers to where we can open up a whole new world where they can see what their potential is. With Mary Kay, I have been able to do so much more for my children, for my family, to be present, and I love my family. We're created to do more above and beyond than we can even imagine, and that comes with faith. Having that faith, working your business, being the mom, being that leader within your family, that leader within your community, that leader within your group of consultants, to where you show your strength, your capacity, your motivation, your inspiration to help one another, to pull one another up, to not compare yourself. That's not what we're made to do. We're made to focus on ourselves, to become more abundant, to be more than we could ever even imagine, as Mary Kay Ash said. Mary Kay is so much more than just products. It's an opportunity. It's a fantastic opportunity in where we can help women, whether it be with their skincare or with giving them the freedom of choices for their families within their households.